Hello guys, welcome to another more exciting video. How to create portal manipulation project in Adobe Photoshop. So I have 4 different images. So the first one, I need the character from this image, and the second one, I need this center point of train way, and third one is old room, and the fourth one is the port. So first I need to move the portal directly by using move tool or selection. Select the move tool, drag and drop like this, and now hold alt key, change the size, and don't forget click apply and change the mode into screen. Screen mean I need to remove another black background color and set right there. Alt key, set here, good, click apply. So guys, I need to create a shade, not shadow. I need to create a shade, this bright orange color light effect on the wall. How to do this? So turn off, make a little bit 20% of opacity, select another new layer. So my other way, select the pen tool and go to select shape and select the color. The color is very important. Change back to 100% and select the color like this. Select it like this, click OK, and now select the pen tool, hold alt key, zoom in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our first target. Let's draw another part. Draw from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold the space to move image and click like this. Change the opacity down and move, click here and close. So this is our second target. Change back to 100%. Turn off the portal and select first one. Let's see, this is the multiply and this is the overlay. Not bad. Select the soft light and there is the vivid light. Soft light is not bad. And select another shape. Select soft light. So you can control the shapes by using direct selection. And now guys, you can make fader. So how to make fader? Select this one and right click, change to rasterize. Select eraser by selecting eraser, right click, change the eraser size. Take a look, select your eraser brush to smooth or soft, right click, change eraser. So select another shape, right click, make rasterize, little bit smooth some parts, and now turn on again. Now you can see it looks like realistic. So how to add shades on the window? This is very easy. Select again the pen tool, one click, second, third, fifth. Take a look, fifth. And now change the opacity and select the soft light for this one like this. Not too much orange color, just make a 50% for that window, a little bit brighter. Great. Okay guys, and now let me see the record is on, and now time to move the character here. Select first, make crop. My target is just the character. Select, make crop. Okay, go to select subject. So let's control the selection, hold control plus space to move, and select quick selection, hold alt, deselect these parts. Just select the shoes, hold alt, deselect this part. Let's see, hold the space, move picture and see or check. Good. Hold alt, you can deselect these areas, change the size and hold alt to deselect, select these parts, hold alt, deselect. Let's see, hold alt, deselect and zoom out. And now right click to make fader. Just make a 2 pixel fader and go back to edit, copy and go to your final image, paste here. Hold alt key, make the size a little bit small and set here, make apply. And now you must apply the photo filter warm color. Select adjustment mask, go to photo filter and change the photo filter to warm and make the percentage into 70. Okay guys, not bad. And let's create the shadow. So select the character and make a duplicate by moving here and select the layer 2, one of the copies. Then go to edit, make a transform. Here's the shortcut, Ctrl plus T. Press Ctrl plus T and right click, select the distort and select from this point to make it down here. move little bit up by using arrow keys, make apply, and right click, go to blending option, select the shadow color by clicking on color overlay, change to normal, and select the shadow from the background like this. Good. And now make okay. Okay, so guys, select smudge. Smudge is very important for controlling the layer and make a smooth layer like this. So guys, after this, time to drop that green area image or photo into the portal target. How to do that? Go back to where this image, and now just select this part. Go to press Ctrl plus C, come back here and press Ctrl plus V. Hold Alt key, zoom out and set here, zoom in, let's see, set here, make apply, and go to opacity, change the size, set here and select elliptical selection, hold Alt key, hold Shift to make or create fixed direction like this. And now right click again, go to feather, make 3 feather, 3 pixel, make feather. Hold Ctrl plus Shift plus I, delete that layer. Press Ctrl plus D, go to opacity and change opacity 100. And now you can see. So if you need to make more realistic, right click again, go to blending option, take a look there, you can see inner shadow. First make inner shadow and make opacity control, the size like this, change distance to 0, so make little bit noise, how to control the shadow, make little bit darker, click apply. So guys, now you can see the portal like this, everything looks good. So I need to make crop, I need to make like it looks like shorts, change here, hold Alt, now just make apply like this. So let's apply color grade by using adjustment mask. Click here, color lookup, let's see there, click, press down arrow key, change image color grading in one click by pressing up arrow key or down arrow key, off, select again, change again to normal and change from here. Not bad, this one is looking good, but little bit problem with inner shadow. Double click again, change the inner shadow to looks brighter, click OK. Let's see if you select normal, good. Now click, it's like the multiply was not bad. Click OK. So select the image, move it down here and select the portal, select eraser, right click, change the size in one click. Here is. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about how to make or create portal manipulation image in Adobe Photoshop 2025.